Hello, and welcome back to the Berdu channel. In the previous video, we discussed how to customize the checkout page design. Now, in this second part, we'll dive into how to customize your website checkout pages form to better suit your business needs. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu.id channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell. Alright, let's get started. From your Berdu website dashboard, navigate to Layout. Then, Edit Layout. Hover over the navigation bar and select the checkout page. Now, let's edit the checkout section. Select the Form section, where you'll see several options you can modify. By default, customers are required to provide their email address when checking out. However, you can change this to phone number if you prefer, allowing customers to check out with just their phone number instead of an email. Alternatively, you can select None, so customers won't need to provide either an email or a phone number during checkout. This setting should be adjusted based on the type of product you're selling. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the default option, Email. Next, you'll see the Subscribe to Newsletter option under the Email field. You can configure this setting so that the checkbox is either automatically pre-checked, unchecked by default, or completely hidden if you don't need it. Now, let's move on to the Address section. By default, the form looks like this. In the address settings, you have plenty of customization options. For example, if you want to display a last name field, you can enable it, and it will appear in the form. You can also decide whether this field is optional, meaning customers can skip it, or required, which makes it mandatory to fill out before completing checkout. The same process applies to other fields like zip code, country, phone, and more. You can customize these fields according to your specific requirements. If you're selling digital products and don't need a customer's address, you can hide the entire address form. Simply set the Address Form option to Hidden. Once hidden, the checkout form will only ask for the customer's email address. Next, let's explore the Custom Field feature. This allows you to add additional fields for customers to fill out during checkout. Here's an example. Let's create a new custom field. For the field type, you can select the option that best suits your needs. For this demonstration, I'll start with a text field. Let's say you're selling a digital product that requires customers to specify the operating system they're using. In this case, I'll name the field Operating System. For the placeholder text, I'll input Windows/Mac OS. With this setup, customers can easily fill in the required operating system in the provided field. Now, let's look at a second example. What if you want customers to select from a predefined list of options instead of typing? In this case, you can use the Select Options field type. To set this up, select Add New Option. For the first option, let's input Windows. Add another option and input Mac OS. For Select Options fields, you can also customize the design. Choose from the following styles. Selections, which looks like this. Radio vertical, radio horizontal, or panel. Feel free to choose the style that best fits your needs and the aesthetic of your checkout page. Once everything is set up, customers will be able to select their preferred option from the list during checkout. When you're finished customizing your form, click Done, and save your changes. Here's how the final result will look. Customers will need to enter their email and select the operating system they're using. Once that's done, they can proceed to choose a payment method and complete their order to finalize the transaction. That's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we'll explore how to customize payment methods and custom shipping options to provide an even more seamless experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more useful tutorials. You can also follow us on social media for even more exciting updates and content. See you in the next video.